While most people have felt a moment of shyness at some point in their lives, for some people it can be extremely challenging to meet new people and feel comfortable doing so. In this video, we look at 5 ways to stop feeling shy and quiet. Number 1. Explore why you're shy. Understanding why you might feel shy in certain circumstances can help you find the root of the issue and contemplate how to resolve the problem. For many, it can be related to their upbringing or an experience that they had when young, which led them to feeling the way they do. For example, a moment where they felt publicly humiliated which they naturally wanted to avoid reoccurring and thus became a little more defensive when speaking to others. By understanding your shyness, you can start to look into taking steps to help you resolve it, which won't be easy but is possible. Number 2. List down the situations that cause shyness. One of the most effective ways to overcome shyness is to list out the situations that often cause you to feel this way. As you list these, consider where the situation took place and how you can work to recreate similar scenarios, for example to meet people. From here, take steps to prepare yourself to overcome your shyness in these situations, such as saying affirmations, visualizing success, and preparing conversations in advance. From here, go through the list and experience circumstances that make you feel shy, focusing on meeting people and pushing yourself out of your comfort zone and speaking to them. Number 3. Make eye contact and smile. 2 reasons we feel shy is we feel uncomfortable speaking to another person and so lack the confidence when speaking to them. Often the best way to combat such insecurities is to take action that's contradictory to how you behave when shy, as this pushes you to experience such feelings. So push yourself to make eye contact and smile. It's not easy, but it's often a quick and effective way to start feeling more confident. Smiling in particular will also send signals automatically to the brain that you're feeling comfortable, reducing the apprehension you feel. Number 4. Reward yourself. When you successfully overcome a moment of shyness and speak to someone in a confident and positive way, make sure you reward yourself. This will encourage your positive behavior and keep you motivated to continue on with progressing to overcome shyness altogether. You also need to reward yourself because, simply put, you've earned it. Overcoming shyness isn't easy, and so it's fair to take pride in your achievement. This will help your progress towards overcoming shyness, helping you to maintain focus and purpose when pushing yourself out of your comfort zone. Number 5. Be patient. Overcoming shyness isn't easy, and many of the tips we suggest are about overriding feelings to push yourself beyond your comfort zone. You can use techniques, such as Mel Robbins' 5-second rule to help you do this. But whatever you choose, make sure to stay patient, as it won't always be a smooth or easy ride. But it will be a worthwhile one, as the world will get to see just how amazing you are. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe as we help you live life on your terms. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to ensure YouTube notifies you of the latest uploads.